I am Comrade Obalo KSC Chairman Labour Party Edo State. I'm in the community of Otuo, Ward 8 and 9. As you can see, we have waited for a very long time for the voting materials to come. But eventually, when they were dispatched to this community, it was found that they were sent here without returning officers. I would have wondered how, of course, SYMFONI could, intelligence send material to the location for voting, and indeed there are no returning officers. The people are so disturbed, the people are worried. Voting is not likely to take place now, as you can see. This is not limited to this community alone. We are also in Ovia North East so far. Voting materials that were sent there were hijacked and people were shot aside. Today, we cannot account for the casualty that may have happened there. Beyond this, we are also talking about the Kubaoka in Edo South, where, of course, they are no longer, as at moment, accessible to voting materials. So we are not surprised, because the government of Edo State are determined to ensure that indeed this election will not hold. We are saying this before the entire public to know that as a matter of fact, that this election have been rigged, have been issued. But we appeal to every voter and electorate to be patient as we will continue to report the development in this occasion. Thank you very much.